the other pain relief options for birth. There are various options for pain relief for birth that aren't drug based, aren't necessarily medically based. Here are just a few of them. You might find your own that are more suitable. One of the main ones that's used now is water. So water can provide a relaxing environment, and actually because you're in sort of a big pool or a big bath, then you're enclosed and people can't quite get at you, so that can make things feel a little bit more safer. Water can also help soften the perineum, so the bit between the vagina and the anus for birth, which helps, it's been shown to help reduce the risk of tearing, because it just kind of softens everything up. Do you think about when you're in the bath and your fingers can go wrinkly and your skin sort of all softens, everything softens? It's that kind of idea. It's been shown to be really helpful in reducing pain levels and all kinds of positive benefits from it. If you're somebody that likes water, then that's probably ideal for you. If you're not somebody that likes a bath, then perhaps it's not an ideal situation. Then there are things like aromatherapy, so that's sort of aroma, so it smells. It's the things that you'll find in candles and in essential oils. That's aromatherapy. Massage therapists can use aromatherapy oils sometimes. They're used in baby massage as well. So things like lavender and chamomile are quite good at relaxing. You'll might find that in the hospital units now that they've got midwives that are trained in aromatherapy and can use aromatherapy oils, which is just amazing. And also clary sage is known as an oil that is good for starting labour and progressing labour, so it should be used with caution and not to be used until sort of full term in pregnancy. I'd look into the different types of aromatherapy oils and the essential oils and see what fits best for you and what is safest for you, because some are sort of not indicated in certain situations. Homeopathy is another one. Got some various remedies there for relaxation in labour and pregnancy and to start labour, and also for bruising. So arnica's useful for bruising. You take it internally, it can help reduce bruising after birth. It's got some bad rep as homeopathy. People don't like it. The evidence is apparently quite sketchy, but if you look into it a bit more depth, it holds something to it. It's an option. You can look into these things. And herbal remedies as well, a bit different to homeopathy. So herbal remedies, or as it suggests, it's herbs, it's herbal, it's plants, it's all that. Again, different ones suit different people. Some are not to be used at all in pregnancy, others are really good, and some should be used with caution. You can find a herbalist that can advise you a bit better for your situations. So there are ones that can help calm, and then there are also some herbal remedies that can help prevent or stop a hemorrhage post-birth. And I would say that modern medicine that you would get from the GP, you would get from the doctor, are based in herbal remedies. It's your thing. Raspberry leaf is a herbal remedy. And things like breathing, so deep breathing and meditation, or hypnobirthing, or even prayer, if that's your thing, have been shown to reduce stress levels and increase the oxytocin that's needed and reduce adrenaline and cortisol and just make things a lot calmer. So you want to find something that's not too calming in the sense that it can detach you from what's happening, because actually if there is something that's quite traumatic and you've detached from it, then sometimes you can find that trauma remains there and you're not quite understanding that, but it is good for calming a traumatic experience or a more stressful experience. So finding that balance sometimes is a good thing. I'll always advocate for deep breathing and meditation. for calming a situation. And also massage within that can be good. So massaging certain points, so the shoulders or the lower back, on the pelvis area at the back is always good for reducing the tension and the pain in those nerves and endings that are being all fired up for in labour. And again, it just helps that calming and that sense of relaxing the muscles that help sort of the breathing and help with the birth and help with those hormones that are needed. So there are lots of different alternatives to drugs and medication. You might find your own thing. Music, lighting, all these kind of things are quite good at helping reduce the stress and then reducing the pain and helping the good hormones flowing. So any of those things are lovely.